This is a review of the 5-piece knife block set that is a stainless steel. It comes with the block itself, and it comes with the high carbon black knives themselves for the material as well that we're going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys everything you get, and from there we are going to test this product out. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so we got everything out of the package, and one thing I do want to say about this product itself is that the quality of this is really amazing. I just love how they packaged this up to make sure everything is all nice and sturdy and nothing gets damaged on the way. And I just love how everything, for example, let me take this one out. You can see how well they packaged it as well too. That's something a huge plus about this company for making sure everything just, is all safe. I just love the packaging that they're doing on this. Now, one thing I also love about the fact is that this right over here, it comes with a 5-inch utility knife, which we're going to get to each of these sizing as well too. But it comes with all sets of knives, 5 of them total. And I love how it's engraved as well too. You can see very carefully that it tells which one's which is really cool for them to do that as well too. Stainless steel quality, which we're going to put this to a side. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to take all of them out and show you guys all of them in pretty much in action mode, and then from there we are going to set them up onto here on the kitchen block itself and then show you guys the finished results after that. Okay, so we're going to go over each and every single one of these knives. So the first one right over here, the smallest one, is your 3.5-inch paring knife that you can use to cut like carrots and vegetables, like apples, small things. This one right over here is your 5-inch utility knife that you can use to do like medium-sized cutting as well too. And same thing, like carrots, vegetables, anything around your home that you can use to cut. Now, when it comes to this one right over here, this is your 7-inch Santuka knife that is like a heavy-duty style material. That same thing, stainless steel quality, and you can use it to cut like chicken, meat or beef or anything like that for heavy duty. Then this one right over here is your 8-inch chef knife that is also a 8-inch and it's very sharp as well too. Same thing, heavy duty style. If you're trying to do heavy duty cutting, you're gonna want to use one of these two, and this will definitely perform very well when it comes to heavy duty cutting. And then this one right over here, last but not least, is your 8-inch slicing knife that's also very high quality and sharp as well too. I tested these knives out so far, and I do want to say that each and every single one of them are extremely sharp and very high quality stainless steel. I would definitely recommend these knives. Not just that, but as you guys also know, that we also get the block itself as well too right over here. That really is like a wood grain material, really durable and sturdy. It's really high quality. It feels very nice. And also, the best of all, on the bottom you can see that there's also a grip, so that way it doesn't slide or fall down when you have it placed in your kitchen. It comes with a grip set of 4 right over here on the bottom, that once you place it down, it's not like gonna go move anywhere or anything like that. But what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna put each and every single one of them on the kitchen knife blocks and show you guys the finished results when you have it in your kitchen. Okay, so here's the finished results of the kitchen knife block set that I have each one of the knives placed inside. That is a total of 5, and I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that extremely high quality, it's sturdy, it's durable. You can see as I'm moving it around as well too, it's not going to slide or move anywhere, all thanks to the grips that are placed on the bottom. Really high quality wood grain material right over here. It's really sturdy and durable, and the knives themselves, most importantly, are extremely sharp as well too. And you can use this to cut like beef, chicken. As a chef, you could use this to do a whole lot of stuff. And really, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that everything about this is extremely high quality. And overall, if you're looking for a new replacement set of kitchen knives in your kitchen, then this one right over here is probably one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.